What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol CCXI for ChemoCentryx. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We've talked about the stock on this channel in the past. The main thing to point out from the daily is that we are trading in this range. You could even draw in the range like this, and if you do it that way, I mean, obviously, we are breaking down underneath the low end of the balance area. We even tested the low of the Friday session and kind of closed right on it. So all things considered, a little bit more of a bearish perspective from the daily because of this breakdown here. We know that the saving grace is going to be the gap up low from that day right there at 29 even roughly. So that is still going to act as your line in the sand. However, things are pointing to being a little bit more bearish than bullish, as we did just mention. So that's what we're seeing from the daily. Let's quickly take a look at the 30-minute to see what else we can learn about the price action today. Certainly opening, trying to get back above. Like, this is fairly interesting, actually. The fact that we back tested that 3290 area, the low end of the range right here, there was a little bit of a pop higher, right? That hammer and then that green candle, and then we roll over off the back test. So to me, it's nothing more than a beautiful break, retest, and again, setting up the move here for lower to come ultimately into that target at 29. Underneath that, gap does fill all the way down towards 2131. If you're long, that's not that's obviously not a place you want to be here inside of ChemoCentryx. So that's what we're seeing to the downside. Again, any short trades will be valid, I would say, as long as primarily we're underneath 33. But if you're looking for a short entry, your next backtest area to watch for resistance would be here at your 3166. And let's quickly compare where that is in relationship to our 38.2, doing something like that on the entire day's range. It's a little bit north, but it's still the 50% retracement. So anything that does this is ultimately just bear flag consolidation. No matter how you slice the cake, it's bearish, looking for breakdowns into the future. The one thing that would change this chart and flip to being bullish is if we have something that we would call a look below and fail, right? And what that would look like is something like this. Look below the bottom end of the balance, 33, fail, meaning we move back above that area here. That triggers a long, in which case we're looking for the top end of the range over time. Again, I'm not saying it goes to 41 all in one day, all in 1 week, but over time, that would be the technical target. So that's what I'm seeing inside of ChemoCentryx as of right now, favoring the bearish outcomes, however, being open to the possibility for a bullish reversal if and only if we get the look below and fail scenario, which we just talked about. That's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.